Hey there! Welcome to Coffee Recipes by Baked Brewed Beautiful. I'm Cheyenne, and today I'll be showing you how to make an easy iced oat milk honey vanilla latte. So you only actually need 4 ingredients, but I have 2 additional ingredients out just as optional ingredients in case you're interested in spicing up the drink or just making it a little more special. So, the essential ingredients include 1 cup of your choice of oat milk, 1½ teaspoons of honey, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 ounces of espresso. So, these are actually ground coffee beans. They're already in my portafilter, and I'm going to pull the shot now. So now I have my espresso. I'm going to take it from the cup that I pulled the shot in, and I'm going to pour it in my serving glass, which is this one right here. You pour the espresso in first, then you add in the honey, and this is about 1½ teaspoons. You can kind of do it to your taste. That's usually what I like, but you'll have to test it and see what your preference is. So go ahead and stir that up. Make sure the honey is completely dissolved before you do anything else. Otherwise, you're going to be drinking chunks of honey, which nobody wants. So, you can actually see this a little bit there. Alright, so it looks like it's pretty much dissolved. So I'm going to proceed by adding the vanilla next. You can pretty much add the rest of the ingredients at your leisure. There's really no order. This is just what I usually do. I do the vanilla, mix it up a little bit. Always make sure to shake your oat milk because it tends to separate. And then I'm gonna pour in my oat milk, about a cup. I don't want to do too much. Close it up, and then we're gonna add the ice cubes. I like to add about 2 to 3. That's what we'll do today. And then you can actually add these other ingredients which I discussed. So this is salt, and I do a tad of salt, just a little pinch. It adds a little something extra that I like. And then I've had a few people tell me that you should add cinnamon. And I usually add this earlier on, so I'm actually going to go ahead and try to stir this and try to incorporate it as best as I can. And then we can try it. I recommend using a straw. I don't know why, but I tend to find that iced lattes taste a lot better with a straw. So please do what you prefer. But I use Clean Canteen's stainless steel straws. They're my favorite. I've also used glass straws from ET. They're great too. Let's see what we have. It's perfect. The salt just brings out like the honey flavors, and it's just super good. So I hope that was helpful. If you'd like to know how to make espresso at home, I do have a guide on my blog. You can find the link right below here. And then I also have guides for making espresso-like concentrate with the AeroPress and a mocha pot if you don't have access to an espresso machine. And all of those are free, and you can find all the links down below. And that's all for today. Stay tuned for my next video.